Now we are going to look at this beautiful home as well as two others. But first, so you're thinking about moving to the Charlotte area and in particular Fort Mill. Well, I want to introduce you to this amazing, well, I don't quite know if it's amazing yet. It's a new community. It is a huge community and it's changing dynamics here in Fort Mill. There's over 1,200 homes between single family and townhomes. It's the Elizabeth community by Lennar in Fort Mill, South Carolina, and it will have some residential commercial units. And the reason why I want to show this to you is not only is it amazingly priced and has 3 different levels of homes. Now this community has resort style amenities for the whole family. There's community pools, playgrounds, walking trails, green spaces. If you're familiar with the Fort Mill area, you know that they really, I say they, I live in the area, we really love our green spaces. And this community plays on that and focuses on fostering a vibrant, active lifestyle. And you have access to the top ranked Fort Mill schools. You see, Fort Mill is home to top rated schools consistently ranked in the top 3% nationally. I'm talking about the public school district here in Fort Mill, ranked in the top 3% nationally year after year. See, families moving to Elizabeth can take advantage of the excellent education for their children while ensuring a peace of mind because everything is pretty much contained in that community. Now, once you go outside of that community, not too far, you have several schools, but you have one of my favorite spots, Emilio's Pizzeria and Bar. Excellent pizza. It's very hard to find great pizza. Well, Fort Mill TK has 2 places. You have Emilio's right by the Elizabeth community, and then you have Danny's Pizzeria. Be sure to check out both of those. This community is located just minutes from I-77, and Elizabeth offers easy access to Uptown Charlotte with about a 25-minute drive. Now that is not taking into account rush hour traffic. During rush hour traffic, your drive will be significantly longer than 25 minutes. But Fort Mill and the Elizabeth community in particular is perfect for those that want access to Charlotte, but the peace of suburban living. You see, Fort Mill combines Southern charm, safety, and family-friendly atmosphere with access to shopping, dining, and entertainment options. And one of the main reasons why I moved to this area is the lower property taxes for owner-occupied properties. So your dollar can go a little bit further right across the border because for the same price home, you'll actually be saving more because the property taxes are lower right across the border here in South Carolina. Now, enough about Fort Mill right now. Let's go inside and take a look at some of these beautiful homes. Now, let's go inside this Grisham floor plan. Now, this Grisham is in their Enclave selection. That's their higher end collection in Elizabeth. And this home is a 5-bedroom, 4 full bath, 1 half bath home. And it starts right around 3,200 square feet, and it is in the low 600s to start. Now, it can go higher depending on the lot premium and what you decide to do with the interior. But when you come in, you have your foyer, you have an office right off of that, and then you have your dining area. I like that the office, dedicated office, is right up front, and then it opens up to your open living, dining, and kitchen area. Now, as you see, it was busy in here today. These people didn't mind that I filmed. This is your backyard. Now, depending on your lot, your backyard will look a little bit different. This is the model home. So this would typically be an eating area inside the kitchen. And then you have the granite counters, the deluxe kitchen package with 2 full-size ovens with the microwave that vents out. Let's look at the pantry. Another look at the dining room, sorry. You do have storage underneath the stairwell right there. Now let's take a look at this. There's a bedroom, and it's not a full bath right now because it has to be ADA compliant, but you can have a full bathroom downstairs if you choose. This is the bathroom that would be a full bathroom. Now that is the half bath. The full bathroom actually goes to that bedroom, so you can have an ensuite in that bedroom. Now let's head upstairs. This is your loft. So this Grisham floor plan, let's just recap real quick. You have an office when you first come in. You have a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom downstairs and a separate half bath. You have a loft upstairs, and this is bedroom number 2. Now this is a Jack and Jill bedroom. You have the vanities right here, and then you have a door that goes to your tub shower combo and your toilet, and this is bedroom number 3. Now you go down further down that hallway, you have the laundry room. Again, they have the copier in there. This is the model home. They're using it as an office space. And then you have bedroom number 4. And this one is unique too because you have a common bathroom, but it also has access from this bedroom. So this technically is an ensuite bathroom right here as well, because you can access it from the hallway or from the bedroom. Reminder, this home is just over 3,200 square feet. Take one more look at the loft before we head into the primary suite. Look how large this suite is. Ample space. You can put a king size bed, even a California king if you choose, and still have a chair or almost a love seat depending on your bed size right in this bedroom. You have a tile shower. And what I like about this floor plan is the ton of counter space right here for the vanities. And this is your primary closet. So this is their Enclave series, the top of the line. There's multiple floor plans in the series, but it's typically the larger homes is what you'll get with some of the upgraded finishes, the deluxe kitchen packages and such. Now this is we just looked at phase 1 of Elizabeth. This community, again, is going to be over 1,200 homes. Combination between single family and townhomes, with the majority of them being single family homes. Now let's take a look at this Chiffon floor plan. Now this is in their Orchard collection. This is their ranch style collection. Now this home is a 2-bedroom with an office space just over 1,500 square feet. So this community of over 1,200 homes will have a home to fit everybody's need and desire. This floor plan ranges right around 420 to about 450 presently when I'm filming this video. You do get a large 2-car garage with additional storage to the side, and then you have this open living space downstairs. I've had several clients who are looking to downsize, really enjoy this floor plan because while they wanted less to maintain as far as size of a home, they still wanted individual areas. They wanted a space for their guests to have a bedroom. They wanted their office space, which we're checking out right here. And then they wanted their primary suite. And this checked off all of those boxes, and it comes in at a very reasonable price in the low to mid 400s, located in one of the best suburbs in the Charlotte area. That is bedroom number 1. Let's take a closer look at the kitchen and head outside to the covered lanai area. Again, you have James Hardy plank siding. That is a cement composite. The best siding you can get, bar none. You have your laundry room, and then we're gonna go look at the primary suite. Now, remember, be sure to reach out to my team and I before you go in to talk to these new builders. If you have any questions about the new build process, please, I refer you to one of my videos. It will be linked in the description below, going you through A to Z regarding new construction and what you should be on the lookout for and the different pitfalls that come along in the process. You see the tile shower, you see the quartz dual vanity sink, all in this chiffon floor plan. That is a 2-bedroom with an office, just over 1,500 square feet, reasonably priced in the low 400s. Now we're about to turn our heads to the walk collection and the Westbury floor plan. Now this Westbury floor plan is over 2,100 square feet, just under 2,200 square feet. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, and it's priced right now in the low 500s. When you come in, you have this grand foyer. And then when you go through your foyer, you have a half bath, and tons of storage in this home. You have the garage on one side, a coat closet on the other. That is a extra deep 2-car garage. Look at the foyer from a different angle. Give it that grand feel. And then you have this additional storage right here underneath the stairwell. And then you open up into the living room area. You also have the dining area and the kitchen all in this open concept. Now this is priced in the low 5s, and if you're familiar with the Fort Mill area, we're talking, this is new construction. We're talking resale homes, homes that are 10, 20, 30 years old on average going for this price. So you get to buy in one of the best school districts in the country. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just under 2,200 square feet for the same price home that you would get if you were getting a resale in the same area. Amazing deal. Let's go upstairs, take a look. Now upstairs you do have a good sized loft. Take a look at the laundry room. And then we have the 3 secondary bedrooms, as well as the general bathroom. What I like about this bedroom is it's a nice size, but this walk-in closet really makes it stand out. Typically, secondary bedrooms, you don't have a walk-in closet that size. Going into bedroom number 2. Now, remember, if you have any questions or you're interested in this community or others, please reach out to me. I would love to help you, guide you, walk you through the process. Number is in the description, but it's also on the screen. Call, text, let's schedule a time to have an in-depth discussion about your needs, wants, desires for your next home. Now let's take a look at the primary suite. This is the primary bathroom, dual vanity sinks. You have the tile shower, and then you have this good sized walk-in closet and a linen closet right here in the primary bathroom. Let's take another look at this primary suite. And remember, when you're going to look at new construction, you do not want to do it alone. You want to have a new construction specialist guiding you along the way, because there's a lot of pitfalls that can occur and does occur on the day-to-day basis. The sales reps, they're gonna be nice, they're gonna be kind, but they represent the builder. You need somebody on your side that's going to advocate for you and make sure your interests are being looked out for. I'm Sir Ashley, your real estate advisor and new construction expert. I look forward to talking to you and guiding you on this journey. Talk soon.